Hey there! Ready to supercharge your creativity and explore endless possibilities? Runway ML is a creative suite that uses AI to help you bring your imagination to life. Let's get started. Part 1: Exploring AI Magic Tools. Runway ML offers a variety of AI magic tools that make ideating, iterating, and generating content a breeze. Let's have a closer look. Number 1: Generate videos. Turn images, video clips, or text prompts into captivating films. Number 2: Generate images. Create stunning images using just your words. Number 3: Infinitely expand images. Endlessly expand any image with simple text prompts. Number 4: Reimagine any image. Instantly remix the style and composition of any image. Number 5: Train custom models. Train your own AI model on specific subjects and styles. Number 6: Erase things from videos. Remove anyone or anything from a video with a simple brush stroke. Part 2: Creating with Runway ML. Now, let's put Runway ML to the test. We're going to create a unique visual for a social media post using text-to-image and image-to-image tools. First, let's use text-to-image. We'll input a description like a futuristic city skyline at sunset. Watch as Runway ML generates a variety of images based on our description. Select your favorite and download it. Next, let's use image-to-image to apply a specific art style to our chosen image. Upload both the generated image and a reference image with the desired style. Runway ML will work its magic and produce a stunning, stylized image. Download the final image and share it on social media. Let's generate videos. Now, let's create a short video using the Generate Videos tool. First, choose your video source, an image, a video clip, or a text prompt. We'll use our previously created city skyline image as the starting point. Set the desired duration and resolution for the video. Watch as Runway ML generates a dynamic, eye-catching video based on the input. Feel free to explore the advanced settings to customize the output even further, such as adding a soundtrack or adjusting the speed of the video. Download the video and share it on social media or Conclusion: Runway ML is empowering you to bring your wildest ideas to life. Sign up today and start exploring the limitless potential of AI-driven creativity.